Hi, this is Karthik, CTO of AIValynx. Today I'm excited to give you a quick demo of our descriptive answer sheet evaluation system using GenAI, a solution that is designed to empower educational institutes as well as educators to evaluate and grade subjective answers, thus making the process faster, more accurate with less bias, and more efficient. Quickly walking through the technical components, we have a dashboard that serves as the entry point for the educators or educational institute where they can really upload question paper as well as the answer key rubrics that are in the PDF format. Our system then converts that PDF using OCR technologies into a format that can be leveraged and be fine-tuned by our LLM to evaluate the answers against the key rubrics. Once it's evaluated, it's stored back into the database and it's available for the educators in the dashboard where they can change, edit, or look at the justification and approve the final answers. So I'm going to give you a quick demo now from the front end. So if you look at this, this is a login page where the educators can come in and log in. Once they log in, they see a central hub within a dashboard which provides some key value metrics like an overview of the assessments as well as the answer papers. And on the right hand side, you see the number of papers they want to upload. To create an assessment, the first step in the process is to click on add assessment, and then once you do that, you enter the details. So for this purpose, I'm giving demo and theory, and I know total marks is around 50. Here you upload the question paper and you click here to answer the key rubrics. Once these are uploaded, uh, our system powered by fine-tuned LLM can evaluate the answer sheets and grade them based on the answer or the provided rubrics. So we quickly see that our assessment is added. We are able to look at it on the sheet. Uh, we now click on the assessment itself where we can go in and add the student information or the answer papers that you really need to evaluate. Uh, Click on add student, uh, add the registration number, uh, and upload the answer papers that you want to really evaluate. For the purpose of demo, I'm going to do two of them. Uh, but yeah, we'll just add them and we'll wait for the answers. So usually what we see is it just takes less than a minute, usually 30 seconds. To give you a understanding of what model we used the Meta LLM A3 model here, which is fine-tuned with around 70 billion parameters that has robotic semantic understanding. Also, this is fine-tuned based on domain-specific knowledge so that any specific text or any specific subject can be evaluated. So I'm going to quickly view the answer sheet here. And as you see here on the left hand side, we see the text or the handwritten exam papers here. We are able to look at the answer paper. On the right hand side, we have the answers or the evaluated scores. So you can see for each of the question that is segmented, we have seen the obtained marks that the system grades. Here we can edit the marks as well as provide justification. So let's say for the purpose of this demo, we feel like this is just 1 mark instead of 2. Uh, so we can edit that, and we also see a justification that the model gives. In the future, we also want a capability where when we change these marks, we also could give a feedback so the system learns about it. And we finally click approve here. So once it's approved, we already see that it's approved, and yeah, it's also provided to the student. So that's more about it. And the second paper is also waiting for approval, so you could see that it's also been evaluated. So it's less than a minute. It's very quick and very user intuitive. uh, in the future, what we want to do is, as I mentioned in the demo, we want to integrate reinforcement learning where the user feedback or the educator's feedback is taken in and the system learns from it so that we don't need to do it again and again. And second thing is we want to also add multimodal analysis where we are able to handle complex diagrams and formulas so that other papers can also be evaluated. Uh, Thank you so much.